G'day everyone, this is a little Graham Industries steam engine. It's running on air, or I should say it will be running on air in a little while. I took the flywheel off and put it on the lathe and just cut a small groove in there for a pulley. This is the new black O-ring material that I'm using, and I've got this hooked up to a baker fan to see how it goes. I have made a new reversing lever on this one. It's a little bit bigger than the standard, and I've got it pinned down on this wooden base, so I'm going to turn the air on and we'll see how this goes. Not a problem. Just turn that air down a little bit. As always, thanks for watching. Bye now.